feeling, Lib? How you feeling, Libby? How you feeling? Yeah? Are you cold?
We thought so, but I'm not sure when it's been shot.
It's the track. The track shit, Libby, don't worry about it. Don't want to ride that. It's shit.
Not enjoying it.
Trying to make it feel better. Trying to make it feel better.
It's got a bit shiny, innit?
Yeah, it's a bit slick in places.
I've done that. I picked like the middle line that time next to that bit that goes over.
If you go over that, you know you jump, you know you do that. I don't know why. How do I turn this off? Hang on. Let me give this back to its owner.